Alright. Well, it's our very first JVS Black Lightning reaction ever. This will only be 10 minutes. So you're not going to get all of our reactions. If you want it, leave in the comment section below. We'll talk about that potentially later. Y'all ready for episode 2?
Yeah.
Alright. So, I will not. I refuse to. I will not. Anyway, alright, here we go. Oh, Joe.
Lawanda.
Come over a little.
That's real black. I like it. Lawanda.
To my left, to my right.
This episode is called Lawanda. Yes.
Family time. Get lit. Alright. That's what the shirt said. Look.
Dr.
Get lit.
Committed to helping the people that I'm all for. If he's back, this was and his crew. The people of Krondon have been victimized. I believe he is an answer for his friends. But I'll say it publicly.
Who's destroyed us?
Wait, oh, is it all?
When I see you like this, I feel really selfish.
You are. But sometimes you gotta be.
I did this.
Oh, whoa!
So much for the secretary at
Goodness. Well.
I should go.
And I believe they shot Dr. King in the head, Mr. Brandis.
Order 100 got my little girl.
Uh-oh.
Why Black Lightning rescued your girls and nobody else?
I don't know, Lawanda.
When I was a student here, you used to like to use quotes to teach us. Well, I got one. Unless all of us are free, none of us will be free.
Hello.
But he's one man, and he obviously cannot do this by himself.
He can go shut down the crazy horse.
He
Somebody
can't.
knows
Look
what
what he
Black Lightning is. Squeeze these darkies till they crack.
Oh, Lord.
Hey,
Jesus.
boss. You really do hate black people.
I love black people. I hate incompetent, thick-lipped, scratched where it don't itch Negroes like you.
Oh.
Well, wait a minute now.
Y'all keep us acting like newly freed slaves.
Boss, I got a plan for that.
Oh my gosh.
Perception and fear, la. If the people of Freeland start to perceive we are no longer in control, then they won't fear us.
Yo, this man is
Maybe
crazy.
they'll start to think that this fool pretending to be Black Lightning will actually protect them. And I surely can't have that.
He looked at me.
Did he really just do that?
But he did.
I did everything I could to try to keep her safe, but she just got caught up in looking for her daddy and all the wrong men.
Dang, that's real.
What can I do to help?
You can go in there and get her. Take her out of there.
Why she act like she know?
I can't do that.
Yes, you can. You just won't. And everybody knows Mr. Pierce can do whatever he wants in Freeland.
Dang.
They call you Black Jesus. Thought you could walk on water.
Lawanda.
No, it's okay, Mr. Pierce. Everybody say they praying for me, but ain't nobody willing to fight for me. You got your own girls to worry about, to fight for. Well, I gotta find a way to fight for mine.
Go on and get them girls Black Lightning.
Man, you need to go watch her because something terrible about to happen.
No.
But in less than 48 hours, Henderson?
Y'all want to buy some candy?
No.
I gotta go.
Not from him.
Yeah, what you got, little man?
Look upstairs, huh?
Oh. What the world? No. Yo, first off, those some bad police officers, right?
But what they was gonna do, they was a little boy. He would have fooled me.
First off, nobody should be coming to the vicinity of the house.
That's a little boy.
I don't give a good goddamn. He got cookies. With a box? With a box.
See that kid?
Nah.
That was
That's police detail.
Scooter bad today. You don't know who Scooter is watch Living Single.
I had the 12 o'clock boy.
All right, look here, we had a deal. You stay away from the school and my girls.
Things changed. Your daughter's been running their mouths to the police. Look, Mr. Pierce, I'm trying to be nice, because you was cool with me when I went to your school. But they better keep my name out of their mouths. Matter of fact, if I was you, I'd send your daughters on a long vacation before I do.
What? Yo, you crazy?
Did this little boy just punch Black Lightning?
Yeah. He ain't got a gun on him.
Hold it in, buddy. Hold it in. Hold it in. Thank you.
Don't mistake my patience for weakness, boy.
Hello!
Oh!
Don't mistake my patience for weakness. What to do?
Hey, man, it's been a little minute since I've been a boy, man. Hey, man, fire them bikes back up, man. You know what it is.
Yeah, they need to be
Don't
careful.
mistake my patience for weakness.
They need to be careful. Yo, this show is lit.
Black Lightning is brought to you in part.
Don't mistake my patience for weakness. Yeah.
Damn, I mean,
Who is this?
Whoa,
Hello,
who's
DW.
that? Wait, is that your girl?
Watch your understand.
I don't trust
we okay?
I don't trust you though.
Hey,
you. Don't never tell nobody all that.
So dumb.
At the end of the day, I'll straighten it out.
Dang! This man just shot his own cousin. Yeah, he is.
You feel the bad with Lala?
No, I said I want to feel bad for him, but I can't. Whatever.
We got on camera.
Whatever.
But I ain't leaving.
Uh-oh.
I'll just sit in my car.
Please don't sit in your car.
I ain't taking my eyes off this place just in case they try to take us anywhere I can't find it.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you.
That's a
And I
bad
promise
idea.
you, I won't let you down.
Why would you be in a line of fire like that?
But she's a big
I get that.
Yo.
What's up with your girl smoking some weed?
I'm sorry.
Bad. Why you got old boy at your house?
Damn, I thought about you, so.
It's distracting.
You didn't buy me a gift for you, baby.
It's a tracking device. You see that big old, what you call it on the back of that
It's
thing?
a class.
Nah.
That fool
fuck
says a
that.
track.
Why would this ninja?
You got trust issues.
I sure do.
It's a tracking device. What? 15, 16-year-old boy like
First off,
tracking.
nothing like that. No.
anytime you see people grinning like that, they about to start killing them.
Man, it feels good to have you here.
Feels good to be here.
Sorry, Mr. Pierce.
Girl,
Lala.
You better take that camera out of my face. Lawanda, take your ass home now. I'm not playing no games with you.
I want my daughter. I want my daughter. No, get your hands off me.
Oh! Oh no!
I ain't got time for this, man.
Dang. Dang.
That's crazy.
She straight up got shot, bruh. They ain't gonna do that, job.
Oh, bro.
Why would you call him?
I would
Yeah,
not
man, what's
call him
up?
right now.
Jeff, I didn't want you to hear it on the news.
I get it.
Lawanda's dead. Just got the call a few minutes ago. Sorry.
Lawanda is dead.
She is. I know. And it hurts, and I understand. I feel it too.
I could have saved her.
Yeah.
I could save so many. I've been living a lie. Living in the hopes that you and me and the girls could somehow live behind a white picket fence. A normal life.
Jeff, listen to me. This is the addiction talking. It's the...
There is no damn addiction.
Hold up.
Do you remember what you said when we discovered my powers? You said it was a gift.
You did.
A blessing from God.
Dang.
It's still a gift.
Yep.
Dang.
It's still a blessing from God.
Stir up your gift, Scooter.
Not just for the girls, but for all the other people out there who need me.
Please, we are so close to putting the pieces of our lives back together.
What about everybody else's pieces?
Put yourself in her shoes.
Yeah, we are. Maybe.
Uh-oh.
No more maybes from me, Lynn.
Uh-oh.
It is time that people know that Black Lightning is back.
Yeah! He said, is you in or is you out, girl?
I know y'all don't know what Joe's laughing about. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna edit this.
Is you in or is you out?
I know y'all can't see me. That's because my wife is legit in front of me the entire time. Man, I got shot.
Give me some more. Give me some more. Hey, YOLO.
Yo, she's like the worst. Scouter is the worst student in the whole school, okay?
It's not cool, Jay.
Calm down. I just wanted to ask you
Look,
something.
I'm not gonna calm down. God gave me a gift. I can run fast. So I'm gonna run my black ass straight up out of here, and I ain't looking back. But I want you to come with me. But not like this. No, that is going backwards. I can't do that.
Dang. Wow. Ooh. That's crazy. Ooh. Dang. He just got curve stomped.
Curve, like on the curve.
Ooh.
But why I gotta have strobe lights going in this place?
Oh no, that's probably Black Lightning.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Dang, that Lala?
That's not Lala.
That is Lala.
Put your hands high above your head.
Dang!
Been a while, Inspector.
Woo!
Yes,
The
but
cell
I'm trying
phone was
to phone.
recording, so we got you on tape shooting.
Shooting her.
Your boy is flipping on you. How you think we found you?
Dang.
What about the way you love me? And the way
This is interesting.
She was like, well, all right then. Cash me out, girl. Cash me out.
That ain't good. It's not. Somebody gonna share the police station.
Oh, Tobias.
Is he about to get Lala out?
Probably. Dang.
Wow.
La. You shot somebody's mama? Any man that'll do that has no morals. No principles to live by, which means there's nothing you're not capable of, including becoming a rat. And the way you scream.
Jail. Oh, Tobias is not to be trifled with.
Dang.
He went himself because he has zero fear.
All you got to do is
Dang.
Yo,
simply be
that's crazy.
Well, that's a problem. Oh, he's trying to march with him.
Your colors, Black Lightning.
Yes, Jill Scott. Preview for next week.
Oh, snap.
Black Lightning.
Series next Tuesday at 9/8 Central on the CW.
Hey, School Sprouts. Catch an all-new episode of Riverdale.
Well, man, a lot. Good episode, though. Well, hopefully y'all enjoyed this reaction. It's actually pretty fun. Pretty entertaining. Did it with my family. Hope y'all enjoyed it.
Fam bam.
Keep it locked. JVS, we ain't gonna stop and do a quick review. Be right back.
Ain't no stopping us now.
Turn
We
this
on
up
the
quick.
move.